Oh my gosh. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Adventure Playtime. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been watching our videos before and you're a subscriber, welcome back. Today we have a really fun video. Today we have an epic rock, paper, scissors punishment challenge. You might be wondering what that is. Well, let's roll the intro and we'll get started. All right guys, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're enjoying these videos, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out and helps us grow. So let's get started. All right, today we are doing an epic rock, paper, scissors punishment challenge. So this is how it works. We are going to play rock, paper, scissors. If you lose a round of rock, paper, scissors, you have to reach into this bowl and pick out one of these pieces of paper. When you open it up, there is a punishment written inside. A punishment that happens to you for losing. So we'll see what happens here. But let's get started. There are 10 punishments in this bowl. Who do you think is gonna get the most punishments? Me? You know what? It's a 50-50 chance. Let's see what happens. All right, so let's get started. So we're gonna start with rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. His rock beat my scissors. So let's see what punishment I have. Tickle attack. So Cameron gets to tickle me. I'm unfortunately very tickled. Stop. 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 Oh God. So I just got tickle attacked. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Uh-oh, my scissors beat his paper. Cameron, get your punishment out. Cameron got ball shirt. What I'm going to do is take a bunch of these ball pit balls and I'm gonna fill his shirt with them. Here we go. Let's see how many I'm gonna fit in his shirt. 1, 2, 3. You get all kinds of colors here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Let me do it.
13, 14, 15, 16. Cameron's shirt is full of balls. He has to stay like that for the end of the next round. Look at you, you're so bumpy. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. His paper beat my rock. So I have to pick out a punishment. You know what this is? A bag of Pokemon. Cameron's gonna dump a bag of Pokemon on my head. Before you dump this bag of Pokemon on my head, I'll let you let the balls out of your shirt. Stand up and shake them out. Lovely. We have this giant sack of Pokemon stuffies that I'm gonna get dumped on my head right now. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Let's see who we got. We got Poliwhirl,
Ivysaur,
Charmander. I don't even know this guy's name. It's not Totodile. I'm not sure who this is.
Snorlax,
Mewtwo,
Trico,
Minun. I think her name is Blossom.
Slowking,
Sentret, Tallow,
Jigglypuff,
Lugia,
Bulbasaur,
Squirtle, and there's a lot of other Pokemon here that are
Charizard.
all over the floor.
Pikachu,
And Pikachu. Bulbasaur landed in the bowl. Moving on to the next round. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Folks, this isn't my lucky day. All right, let's see what I get. Ah, come on. Peanut butter nose. Child. So, I have to get peanut butter spread on my nose, and we have to let our dog, Shira, lick it off. This is gonna be so much fun. All right, Shira's in the house. So, Cameron's gonna spread peanut butter on my nose, and this dog is gonna have to lick it off. Here we go. Peanut butter nose.
Tears come.
Shira, come here. Look at Daddy's nose. Look at Daddy's nose. How's that taste? How's that taste? How's that taste? Oh my goodness, lovely. Lovely, thank you. Thank you for the bath. I appreciate it so much. Oh, did she get it all? You missed a spot. All right, so far this is not going really well for me. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What is happening? Why? Why do I keep losing? Here we go. Squirt gun. You can imagine what's about to happen to me. All right, kid, let me have it.
Close your eyes.
Right in my mouth. Oh. Let's see. I'm gonna win this time. I'm gonna try so hard. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. This is not really not going so well. Tape face. So Cameron is going to tape my mouth shut. I can't talk for one of the rounds. So I'll talk to you guys in a few minutes. But right now, draw on face. Cameron gets to take a drawing. This is actually a bath crayon for drawing in the bath, but he's gonna use it to draw on my face. What are you doing to me, child? You're just coloring me in? Oh, this looks so good on me. I'm just gonna walk around the neighborhood like this. I'm gonna go to work like this. This is a really fantastic style for me. Look at me. So far, I'm a big loser here.
And I only got one punishment.
So there's 3 punishments left. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. This is unbelievable, guys. There's a 50% chance of winning this game, but I've lost almost 100% of the time. All right, let's see what I get. Pie face. So I'm about to get pie face, just like the game Pie Face. Have you seen our pie face video yet? If not, go check it out. Check out our channel, check out our pie face video. All right, this whipped cream is really liquidy for some reason. So this is gonna be really messy for me. Hit me with your best shot, kid. What is going on? This is dripping off me everywhere. Why is it so liquidy? Lovely. How's that taste? All right.
Only some of it.
All right, let's go. 2 more punishments left in this bowl. Let's see what happens. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What is happening? How is it possible that I lose this many times?
I think I
Ice cube.
Ice cube.
Explain to everybody what's about to happen.
Ice cubes.
Yeah, what about
Ice cubes! You put it in your shirt and it's gonna drip down.
So I get ice cubes in my shirt. This is gonna be so fun for me. You gonna put them in the front or in the back? Okay. Oh my god, that's cold. Holy cow. What more? Oh god. Oh gosh, this is so cold. Don't smudge it in. Don't smudge it in. There, I got him. No more. So Cameron's beating me almost every single time. We have one more punishment in this bowl. Let's see who gets it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. High five. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Are you serious? How is this possible?
I know what it is.
Nerf blaster. So right now, Cameron. Oh! Whoa! Oh!
Hold it again.
No more. I'm done being shot. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you liked that video, please hit that like button. If you like that video, please hit that subscribe button. Support the channel. We really appreciate that. It really does help the channel grow. Before we wrap this up, just remember, please follow us on social media. Social media links are over here. And Cameron's sister Jade wants to pay a visit. All right, Cameron's sister Jade is on her way down right now. Come here, sweetie. What are you giggling at? Come here. Jade's back in the house. She paid us a visit on our Gator Golf video. Why are you throwing Pokemon at her? Jade, can you say hi to everybody? Don't say it so shy. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. All right, guys. So that's all for today. Thank you, guys. What are you doing to me? The punishment is over. This has already happened to me. You're drawing on my face again. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Again, please like the video. Please subscribe. And we will see you guys here next week on Adventure Playtime. You need to draw on me too? What is this? What is this? Look at me. Just look at me. Say bye.
Bye.